Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Anil Kukreja from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. MCX crude has been trading within an ascending triangle formation as the prices have taken support of an upward sloping trend line and have reverted to trade within the range. Prices should sustain below this trend line to resume the bearish move. The momentum indicator RSI has reverted towards the mid of the oscillator, implying sideways to bullish move. The support for crude oil should be at the level of 5950 and 5900, a move below which should negate the bullish bias, while the resistance should be around the level of 6200 and 6300 for the day. Until then, buy on dip strategy should be used. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.